Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we dive into the transforming world of software development tools and the powerful ways they shape our productivity and creativity as developers. Today, we're focusing on GitHub, a platform that has really revolutionized the way we code and collaborate. To kick things off, let's consider how GitHub has become the de facto standard for version control. The way we manage our code has changed from clunky, manual processes to streamlined, intuitive workflows thanks to GitHub's tools. You can think of it like comparing old school maps to using GPS. It's just a lot easier to navigate. Now, one of the features I find particularly intriguing is GitHub Copilot. It's like having a coding partner who's always ready to suggest code snippets or even write entire functions. I wonder, how do you feel about having AI step in to help with the coding process? Does it enhance your creativity, or does it make you feel a bit overshadowed? And let's not forget about the security aspect. GitHub has integrated powerful tools for identifying vulnerabilities in your code. This proactive approach to security is crucial. Imagine you're building a beautiful new house but neglect to check for structural issues. Those can lead to disastrous results later on. So, it's fantastic that tools like GitHub's security features help us build more solid foundations in our projects. Moving on to GitHub Actions. This is game-changing for automating workflows. It's like having a reliable assistant who can take care of repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more creative aspects of your work. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. How much time could you save by automating some of your daily updates and checks? Of course, collaboration is at the heart of GitHub. The discussions feature enhances how teams can communicate outside of code. It's vital for brainstorming and sharing ideas, isn't it? Being able to capture those golden nuggets of insight before they slip away is invaluable. Now, another exciting feature is code review. It promotes learning and sharing knowledge within teams. It's kind of like a peer review in academia, but in many ways, it's even more collaborative and immediate. Engaging with feedback can elevate the quality of the overall code and also assist everyone in improving their own skills. As we wrap up, let's reflect on how resources like ebooks, webinars, and customer stories help us grow as developers. The abundance of learning materials available is fantastic. It's almost overwhelming, right? If you're new to GitHub or want to upskill, there's a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. Before we finish, I'd love to leave you with a thought. How can you leverage these tools not just to manage your code, but to enhance your overall development experience? Make sure to ponder that this week as you go about your projects. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talk. Whether you're coding solo or collaborating with a team, remember that tools like GitHub are here to empower you on your journey. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.